Imagine if in just minutes from now you could have access to the most powerful done-for-you marketing package on the planet. Better yet, imagine getting an incredible amount of clients and customers on board for your business, agency or brand. We have taken the 4 hottest niches and created a stunning, professional and done-for-you marketing package for them. Leveraging our brand new professional website, beautiful graphics and brochures, done-for-you email campaigns and Facebook ads, or incredible business cards and presentations, it's now all possible with your brand new AgencyBlitz marketing kit. And the best part is, you're getting this with not just 1, but 4 of the hottest niches and industries right now. Video marketing, mobile apps, Facebook Messenger marketing, and social media. And you get all 4 of them for one tiny investment, less than the price for a lunch at Cheesecake Factory. And because we love to over-deliver, you also get the commercial agency license included. This means you can use all our marketing material for as many clients and customers as you like, for all 4 of the industries that we are providing. Wow! This is great for online marketers, agencies, local marketers, or anyone wanting to make money selling in-demand services to businesses and influencers. We hired a professional graphics and design team to create all the AgencyBlitz marketing resources, and they are now all right at your fingertips. Talk about being the authority in your niche. With your brand new AgencyBlitz marketing resources, you're positioning yourself as the go-to solution. You will convert prospects into clients so much easier, you will get way more customers, and your branding will be top-notch. The best part? You can customize everything to your liking and to match your brand. Just imagine how much time and money you will save by not having to create each resource by yourself, or having to hire a graphics designer and web designer from scratch. You save thousands of dollars and hours of time. With our AgencyBlitz marketing kit, you're ready to go in just seconds from now. Get more clients, make more sales, and all of it without any headaches. And remember, during this launch you get 4 industry packs for the price of just 1. You will be a money-making and client-attracting force to be reckoned with. So don't hesitate, come on board right now before this incredible deal is over. Take action right now and grab your early bird copy right away.